All right, team. Training exercise starts now.
This is it, guys. We have to find the tracker.
No!
The tracker is south of us.
It's that way! Hedges.
Oh man, this training stuff is hard.
Everyone was talking at the same time. I got confused.
Nice try, cadets. You'll get it next time. Sometimes teamwork is about one person taking the lead and giving clear instructions to everyone else.
Rescue.
Aaron, what's the situation?
Level 5 alert. A tsunami has made landfall in Sri Lanka.
Wow, now that's a giant wave.
Okay, team. Scan for injured people. We're gonna need to review the damage.
And remember your training exercises. One of you should take the lead. Trust each other, cadets.
Rescue heroes!
Let's go!
Whoa!
I'm heading over!
Reed, Billy, Rocky, you guys make it there yet?
We just landed on the far side and are moving everyone away from the water. The waves still look pretty big out there.
They are. Sandy's already on her way. Let's meet up on the high ground.
Copy that, Carlos. We're headed there now.
Here you go, kid. Everything's gonna be okay. Hey, Sky, what you got up there?
It's hard to see, but the heat sensor is picking up movement.
Sky, are you sure? I think that's just a piece of debris.
Carlos, I've got a good eye on this one. I'm going to take the lead here.
Right, someone should take the lead.
It's a fisherman. He's caught in the nets. Sandy, can you swim out to him?
I'm on it! Don't worry, we'll get you out of here. No! Hang on!
Oh no! Carlos, Sandy needs backup. Can you go help her?
But I just got here. Okay, it's your call, Sky. Hang on!
You saved me.
All right, team.
Here you go, kid.
Good job, Sandy.
Thank you, Billy.
Thanks. It's important to sterilize this water before we drink it.
Because after a disaster, water can be full of germs.
Which can make us sick.
Thank you, rescue heroes. But now that you've rescued us, we need to help our little buddies.
Little buddies? Wow! I can't believe it.
Wow! Baby green sea turtles! They like to hatch their eggs here in Sri Lanka. Be careful not to touch them.
Look! She's taking the lead! Just like you did, Sky!
These babies are ready to get to the ocean.
No way the baby turtles can get out of that mess.
I could quickly build a giant turtle track! Or a turtle tunnel! Or I could weld a little...
Or we could just clean up the beach together.
Or that. Good idea, leader.
Rescue Heroes vlog number 113. What a wild wave that was here in Sri Lanka. Well, it was a rough one, but the cadets realized that it's so much easier to cooperate when you have a clear plan. And the better we cooperate, the better we can help people. And those adorable baby sea turtles. See you next time. Bye.